Hey everyone, it's Moaeez Rehman here, team leader of the Moaeez Rehman real estate team. You can call me Mo if it's easier. We actively sell real estate across the Durham region and GTA as full-time sales representative. And I'm excited for this video because we have some data to go over. It is that time of the month where I finally got, actually this morning, the most recent housing market report. And together we will go over the data and what this means. Now, what I have to share is going to be a little bit contrary to what you've been hearing in the media because it's just totally opposite, but I'm sharing stats with you. So definitely watch until the end with me to see exactly what is going on in the Durham region housing market. And the reason why I'm doing Durham region housing market is because more than 50% of you guys who follow and watch my content are from the Durham region. The stats for Toronto are very similar, but the specific numbers might vary ever so slightly. And if you would like something specific for Toronto, just shoot me a DM or an email. But right now for this video, we're going over Durham region. And in terms of east to west, it goes from Pickering to Clarington. And on the north side, you have Uxbridge, Scugog, and Brock. So the first stat that I want to share with you guys is the fact that in February 2023, we saw 601 residential transactions. In January, we had 300 and a change. We'll come back to that in a little bit. I want to do two comparisons on a year-over-year basis from the same time last year. Keep in mind, same time last year, we had one of the craziest housing markets. I had never seen homes sell for that price. And that is why last year in February, the housing prices reached an all-time high. From the same time last year, there is a 44% reduction in the number of homes for sale and the number of new listings. In terms of residential transactions and homes sold, there is a 44% decrease on a year-over-year basis. As for a month-over-month basis, from 30 days ago, we have seen a 52.5% increase. So we sold more than 50% more homes in the month of February compared to January. And that is a stat that really goes to show buyer motivation. There's a lot of narrative that now because interest rate hikes might stop, or we can kind of see in the future they might stop at some point, home buyers' motivation is coming back and they're actively looking for deals. And this number does also justify that. Let's do a month-over-month comparison. In terms of average housing price, we have increased by $2,000. But I want to break this down a little bit. Last year, the price of the average townhome across the Durham region was $806,346. As of February, the average price of a townhome is $871,737. That is roughly a 7% increase in the value of a townhome on average over 30 days. In a balanced real estate market, you see a 5% appreciation annually, usually. Townhomes, however, saw a 7% increase. I also wanted to talk about the average price in the city of Ajax that saw a pretty massive jump. So the average price of the average home in Ajax was $931,346 in January. In February, that number crossed $1 million. It was then $1,006,923. That is also a crazy number. Now, in terms of overall residential transactions, Oshawa once again has the most residential transactions. And in February, homes sold quicker. The average days on market for the average home to sell was 7 days in February. And in January, it was 21 days. Now, the final stat that I want to share with you guys is the average sale price number. For every type of home, apart from condo apartment, homes sold for more than 100% of asking price. A lot of home buyers that are coming back to the market now, they're looking for a deal. Naturally so, we've had 8 rate hikes. But this stat right here is showing us that homes are selling for 100% of asking price and or more. That's also because the bidding war strategy has come back. Just because homes are selling for 106% more than asking price, or 106% of asking price, sorry, it doesn't mean it's selling above market value. It's just homes are selling quicker because there's demand and because there's low inventory and because sellers realize that they are underpricing homes to create that bidding war effect. Let's go all the way to the end. Same time last year, the average home was worth $1,024,570, and right now it is $888,448,000. So we have seen a correction. This right here is a correction. However, on a month-over-month basis, it's showing signs of improvement, and we haven't seen that in the past 8 months or however long it's been since the rate hikes began. Now, I am actively helping buyers and sellers over the past 2 months, and I have seen that every property that we brought to the market had a ton of demand, a ton of activities. I'm talking 20, 30 offers and nearly 100 showings. And then every single property on which my buyers were trying to purchase and putting an offer on, we ran into bidding wars. And we haven't seen this for a whole year. But this is not effective in every market, in every pocket, and in every price range. What I'm finding is under $1 million in Durham region is considered to be gold. And between $1 million to 1.4 in York, Peel, GTA, and Brampton is also gold. Pretty much the move-up market is where the highest demand is. In terms of condo market and first-time homebuyer properties, those homes are still relatively slow. You have good inventory and you're able to locate a really good deal. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. It's listed in the description below, and I'll catch you in the next market update. Take care. Bye for now.